Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the new chocolate charm in Fish It Game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this Easter update, you'll be able to get new charm, which is the chocolate charm. And if you want to get it, you need to go to the Easter Island first. If you're at the Fisherman Island, you can use the teleport feature. Once you arrive at the Easter Island, you can go to this area. Okay, let me show you. Okay, right here. And you will see chocolate charm. And you need 10k coins to buy this charm. And you can use the charm to boost your luck. I'm going to open up my inventory. Oops, sorry. I clicked the wrong one. Okay, I'm gonna go to the inventory and I'm going to use my chocolate charm. Okay. Uses per charm is 100. And yeah, just like that, just click on the charm if you want to use it. Okay guys, and that's how you can buy, or that's how you can get the chocolate charm in Fish It Game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.